Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to use some cardboard to create some patterns. I had a small box and I just started tearing it apart and one layer was coming off really easily. So this is what I wanted. I wanted this corrugated part so that I can put paint on it and then use it as a stamp. So I might leave this part on just as give it a little bit of a faded look in that area. But I have a couple of different pieces. This one is coming off really well, and this is a nice size for almost getting an entire page. But as you can see, as I was just pulling this box apart, this was coming off really easily. So I have all sorts of little pieces that I can save and use for different size paintings or different colors, but just gonna save those so that I have something that I can just use and use it as a stamp, create some texture. And as always, I have my book pages that I'm gonna work with and some blank pages. And I have my brayer, and I think I'm just gonna start out with some black paint. I had painted this one just a beige. I think I was using up some paint, so the black's gonna look really nice on that one. But just get some paint down, and I will get my, which one am I gonna use? I'm gonna use this one. So as you can see, it's gonna fill up that page really nicely, and just get my brayer covered in all that paint and get a nice coat of paint on there. And then just stamp it right down. So we'll see if I have enough paint. I think it'll be okay. And oh yeah, that looks really nice. I'm going to just take this edge and kind of stamp a little bit more. And I had I had a white piece of paper underneath. I think I'll just do the black on that white also, but that looks really nice and creates some really just nice even texture. Do I want to, I think I'm just going to use up what I have on here on this one also. It's not, shouldn't be too dark. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so I'm reaching the point where my paint is, I'm going to have to add more paint, but I'm just going to leave that one as is. See if I can get just a little bit more on here. Yeah. Very light coat on that one. I like that a lot. What other colors do I have? Actually I'm just going to add a little bit more black and then just do this white page. And then I might break out another color and just try something a little different, but this one's going to go all sorts of directions on this page. Alright, let's do, I'm going to overlap a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so there's that one. Yeah, I'm not even going to worry about it. I think the black is almost dry enough on here that I'm going to add another color and just let it all blend together. But that one turned out really nice too. And I'm gonna do, I have a turquoise, so let's blend that turquoise into the black and see what that looks like. It's going to be really nice dark color. Might actually need tube paint for this. I was going to use fluid acrylics because I thought it was going to be too thick, but so far that tube paint worked. So we're going to try some of this, and I think this is going to work better. There we go. Alright, let's just see what this looks like. I have a white page here, a little bit of a smaller one, and see what that color looks like. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, so really easy. I'm going to set this aside. I think I'm going to grab this one and just do a few with this, and I might wipe off my brayer and do another color, but we're just going to try a couple more with this. Alright, so I have some turquoise green, really nice bright color. We're going to do a little bit with that. All right. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. I'm going to try and just do the bottom here. There we go. And then I'm going to just use up my paint and do one more. I think I'm going to go this way. See how much paint. Oop, I bet you I can get one more. That looked really nice. Oh yeah, that one. Okay, so that one held quite a bit of paint, and I got quite a bit of texture on that one. So again, it's just cardboard, but you can keep reusing it probably until it's soft enough that it's not going to hold a good design anymore. But we'll let those dry. I'll get some pictures of those. But they turned out really nicely. Again, super simple way to make some textures and designs. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you tomorrow.